In today's architecture industry, firms face a growing challenge: digital chaos. As technology evolves, teams are overwhelmed by fragmented tools, scattered processes, and inconsistent standards. Instead of boosting performance, these digital systems often slow projects down, increase stress, and obscure design intent. The Integrated Design and Development Center, or IDDC, exists to change that. We bring intelligent digital delivery and coordination to architectural firms by replacing chaos with clarity, so teams can build smarter and more intentionally. Firms are constantly adopting new tools, hoping to increase efficiency, but too often, they only multiply confusion. Deadlines slip, budgets explode, creativity takes a back seat to technical troubleshooting. The root problem? There's no framework guiding when and how to use digital tools. Without clear digital strategy, firms fall into a cycle of over-engineering and under-delivering. The IDDC method breaks that cycle by helping teams make smarter technology decisions at the right time, for the right reasons. At the heart of the IDDC method is a structured framework: identify, diagnose, define, and control. First, we identify the project's true digital needs. Then we diagnose its complexity with the scoring system. Next, we define the tools and expectations through a formal tech scope agreement. And finally, we control execution with ongoing oversight and quality checks. This method transforms digital delivery from trial and error into intentional, repeatable success. Project Complexity Scoring (PCS) helps firms accurately assess how much digital support a project truly requires. By scoring 10 key areas like the level of detail, number of consultants, schedule pressure, and innovation, a project is categorized as basic, moderate, or high complexity. That designation immediately informs staffing, tool selection, documentation scope, and delivery methods. No more guesswork. No more overbuilding or under-preparing. Once complexity is understood, we move to definition. The Tech Scope Agreement (TSA) establishes clear digital boundaries for every project. It outlines which tools, plugins, and automations are approved. It defines what the model must contain and what it should avoid. It sets expectations for QA or QC, model health, and automation use. TSA acts as a shared contract for all team members, ensuring alignment and avoiding digital sprawl. With TSA, your project has a single source of digital truth. By putting the IDDC method into practice, firms experience real, measurable benefits. On average, we see a 15% reduction in overtime, a 22% drop in model-related errors, and an 18% boost in overall profitability. Beyond the metrics, the method improves how teams onboard, collaborate, and deliver. Clients gain confidence knowing your process is controlled and professional, and your team gains peace of mind working within well-defined expectations. The IDDC method doesn't limit creativity, it empowers it. By eliminating unnecessary digital clutter, it creates space for deeper innovation. It supports sustainable work-life balance, enables smoother remote collaboration, and scales effortlessly across teams and project types. What starts as a system for managing digital tools quickly becomes a mindset for managing complexity. From digital chaos, you gain competitive clarity. Implementing the IDDC method is straightforward. First, assess your current digital challenges. Then, develop custom PCS and TSA templates tailored to your firm's projects. Train your team, run pilot projects, and refine based on feedback. Within a single quarter, most firms start seeing results. Within 6 to 12 months, IDDC becomes part of your firm's DNA. This isn't just a new method, it's a new way of delivering excellence, with less stress, fewer surprises, and more success.